I'm going to show you how to get to and replace the memory on a MacBook Pro A1286. You want to push this down right here, and then you want to pull it over, lift this plate up. You want to remove a screw here, 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 and here. And then you want to remove this screw, this one, and this one. Also, lift that battery out. Once you have those screws removed, you're just going to lift up on this. And then you want to go and squeeze these little tabs over. There's one stick. There's the second one. You get your new memory out. Put the bottom one in first. It's pretty self-explanatory. Push it in that direction and then push it down to lock it into place. Same thing with that one. Now put your screws back in, put your battery back in, put your plate. I pulled the hard drive because I'm putting a new one in. But do all that and you're finished.